Hi everyone, welcome to Anjali English Academy. Today in this video we are going to learn about model 3. Okay, here in simple sentence we use to phrase, and here in compound which conjunction we use very and therefore, means chala and anduvalla. Next in complex so that ante anduvallana. Actually to gives negative meaning. Means for example, she is too weak to walk. Actually ఆమె నడవలేనంత వీక్గా ఉంది అంటే అలాంటి నెగిటివ్ మీనింగ్లో వస్తుంది. ఇది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ఇన్ టు కాంపౌండ్, హౌ కెన్ వీ రైట్? దిస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కమ్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ and verb also comes as this, and in place of to we should write here very, and that adjective comes as it is, and next in place of to we should write here and therefore. Okay, next actually after this here which subject is there that we should take. Okay, so she is very weak and therefore she cannot walk. Here we should write a negative word. Okay, and why do we write cannot? Means when is word is there, at that time we should write here negative word cannot. Okay, that walk comes as it is. And in complex, she is so weak that she cannot walk. Actually that subject comes as it is, verb also comes as it is, and in place of very we should write here so. Okay, and that adjective comes as it is. Next in place of and therefore we should write here that. Okay, and that subject comes as it is, and negative word that same, can't walk. Okay, actually I told you if here is cannot comes, but if here is was could not comes. You see here, note, when is there cannot, when was is there could not. Okay, so she is too weak to walk, it is in simple. So when you change into compound, here we use very and therefore. Okay, she is very weak and therefore she cannot walk. In compound, in complex, she is so weak that she cannot walk. Okay, so that is subordinate conjunction. And one example I gave here, you see, she was too short to touch the blackboard. Okay, it is in simple. How can we know? Because to word is there, that's why it is in simple, we can understand. Next, what is that verb? Was. Okay, when was is there, here we should write could not. Okay, and what is the subject? She. సో షీ వాజ్ టూ షార్ట్ టు టచ్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్. ఆమె బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ టచ్ చేయరానంత షార్ట్గా అంటే చిన్నగా ఉంది. ఓకే, నెగిటివ్ మీనింగ్ అనమాట. సో హౌ కెన్ వి రైట్? షీ వాజ్ వెరీ షార్ట్ అండ్ దేర్ ఫోర్ షీ కుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్. ఓకే, వై ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ హియర్ కుడ్ నాట్? బికాస్ ఆల్రెడీ was word is there, that's why here we should write negative word could not. Okay, in complex, she was so weak that she could not touch the blackboard, it is in complex. Here I gave some sentences, you try to do. Prashant is too poor to buy a car. Okay, already it is in simple, you try to do in compound and complex. Next, one more example I gave here. He was so nervous that he could not perform well on the stage. It is in complex. So you change into simple and compound. Next, last one I gave here. I was too busy to talk to her. Okay, it is in simple. You change into complex and compound. And one more very important thing I want to say. Here in all examples I used only one subject. Here in this sentence one subject. Okay, and here also one subject. That's why I have written here she. Okay, that she only is repeated. And here also I used one person, Prashant. Here also I used he. Here also I used I. Okay. When one sentence is there, we can change into compound and complex simple like this. But if two subjects are there in that sentence, then how can we change? We will learn in next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on like button, share it to others, subscribe to my channel Anjali English Academy.